Hi there, Robin here, and this video is about the actual FreshSaver FoodSaver bags. These are the zipper bags that work with the FoodSaver attachment. So that's either this model here, which is the rechargeable, goes right over the circle, or if you have this model here, which connects with the vacuum hose to your actual FoodSaver machine. So that works right on top of there as well. This particular one, you got to take note, this is the refrigerated model. It's not the freezer bags. This is designed to be resealable and reusable on a regular basis. So with the actual zipper, double zipper action right on top, no worries. Makes the bag very useful to have. The bag is also rounded at the bottom to make it very easy for it to get all that air out. So in today's video, of course, I'm using the 1 gallon bag with the pocket at the bottom. But also note, they come in a variety of different sizes. So this way you can find the one that's best for you. So what we're going to do now is lock it up by getting the double zipper action at the top all closed up. I like to check it twice. That's just the way I am. And then we're going to use the rechargeable model. Press that on there and just do that. Just hold that button down. And even though I didn't flatten this all out, which I could have if I wanted to, it's still going to suck all the air out. Now this, if you actually decide to get yourself the rechargeable model, this actually will do up to 60 actual bags on one charge. So 60 of these on one charge. So that's pretty impressive. Now again, if I wanted to be nice about it, I could have laid these out flat and, taken my time and made it much more decorative. But I didn't. I just kind of threw them all in there and decided to take the air out. And once I feel comfortable I've taken all the air that I want out of that, I can just simply stop. And there you go. Now again, you can be more organized with it. You could have laid them all nicely flat and decorated that bag really nicely. But the idea of this is to be quick and easy. So there they are, all vacuum sealed out. And now, let's say 3 days later, I decide to make a pizza. Well, I want fresh pepperonis. I'm just gonna take this bag, open it up, and grab myself some pepperoni. And then when I'm done, using what I've needed, I can take this bag, reseal it up. Now, normally you would just throw this in the fridge and maybe some of them wouldn't be that fresh, but no, not with this. I'm gonna take all that air out of there. And that's it, it's as simple as that. I can reuse this bag over and over again because I can actually wash this bag. This bag is reusable, you can wash it, it's perfectly safe, and it's a great fridge bag. So, and here we are, almost all the air is taken out. We're gonna just wait for that to get to this last little point there, so I feel really good that I got all the air out. It feels pretty good now, so I just stop, and I'm all done. Back in the fridge it goes, ready for the next time. So there you go. We're talking about the FoodSaver bags in this video. I hope this video helps you out in your buying decisions today. Maybe I'll see you in the next one. Like I say, thanks for watching, and bye for now.